Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the reply option to the only you follow can reply on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the reply option to only you follow can replies on using Tumblr application. For that, first of all, click on the setting option on the top. After clicking on the setting option, you have this option called account setting on the top. So click this. So just scroll down to the bottom section and you can find the option called replies. Click on this. And here you just need to select the first option or select the first tab which will be open this. So here you can find a three option. You just need to set to the last option. If it is on everyone can reply, so every users can reply. So but I just want to reply the only the people I follow should reply. So just change the setting on to the third. So only Tumblr you follow can reply for the anything you just post. So this is how we just change this option on reply option on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.